Is this the new budget fifth wheel king? This is the brand new Jayco Eagle SLE line. Let's go check it out. So we've got a whole bunch of changes, interior and exterior. A couple things you might notice already. We don't have a painted front cap, so this is just a gel coat front cap, no window, but they kind of keep all the Jayco stuff in there. So we'll start on the inside. This is the 28 BHU floor plan. And as you can see, it looks like a Jayco in here. Got hardwood cabinetry, nice Stacy Stewart chairs in here, big U-shaped dinette. All the main construction features are the same. There are a few little differences, like the slide fascias are not solid hardwood, they're a wrap finish. And as we look over towards the kitchen, there are a few other little differences, like the new Nuvo H2O water system, that sort of 3-stage filtration system that they added to the Eagle HT and the full Eagle fifth wheel, as well as the HT travel trailer. That's not in this, so you have no built-in Nuvo filtration. You still have a Whisper Quiet 15,000 BTU air conditioner with the option for a second one. Now, a little bit of a difference is that we only have a 30,000 BTU furnace in here. So they call it partial climate shield, so there's no radiant barrier insulation. And the furnace is a little bit smaller, so it's 30,000 BTU instead of 35,000 BTU. We still get that new entertainment system, but it's interior only, so nothing on the outside speaker-wise, only on the inside. And that's just a little sacrifice that you have to make to get the same Jayco quality, but at a lower price. I mean, we've still got 75-pound drawer slides, 5-piece hardwood fronted drawers. Really nice hardware. One thing that I notice is this countertop is a little bit thinner. Really, who cares? Why does that matter? We've also got a smaller range in here and a smaller microwave. No convection microwave in here, just a standard. Tons of storage in this kitchen, and the same screwed and glued cabinetry that you've come to expect from Jayco. And at this price point, it's kind of a steal of a deal. I'm going to put some pricing up on the screen for you guys, and I'm sure I'm going to miss some of the details here, so I'll put those up on the screen as well. We've got a smaller fridge, so these come standard with an 8 cubic foot Envision 12-volt fridge as opposed to the 10 cubic foot. They do still come standard with 200 watts of solar. Teddy bear mattress, plywood base for the bunks, plenty of storage underneath there from outside as well. Same thing up top. We've got windows. We still have tinted windows, lights everywhere. There's me. Sorry, folks. Evan not included with purchase. Little wardrobe for the kids, the grandkids there. And a pocket door for some privacy. There's another quick look at your living room. Now let's head up into the bedroom. All right, in the bathroom, we've got this connected closet, which we've all seen before. If you know Jayco, they do this all the time. Nice kind of step down into the shower. Good size shower with a skylight still. I mean, really, if you didn't know, you wouldn't be able to tell that this isn't just an Eagle HT. Porcelain foot flush toilet. Little pocket door for the bathroom. We've got Furrion on-demand water. Medicine cabinet. And the same sort of design language that is throughout the rest of the Eagle lineup with this brown sort of butcher block countertop in the bathroom. Into the bedroom. Plenty of headroom still. Here's another little difference for you guys. This is a standard queen as opposed to the Olympic queen that you get in the Eagle HT, HT travel trailer, and full Eagle. Still on a plywood base with struts to lift it up. So you know, they're not, it doesn't feel like they're cheaping out here. It feels like they're taking away, oh my gosh, those are strong. They're taking away stuff that some of you guys just don't need. There I am again. Wardrobe on both sides. We got shelves, USB and power on both sides of the bed, as well as a little bit of storage there. Actually, a ton of storage there. Window that opens here. We've got an exit window on the other side. Prep for a TV. And as you can see, this one has the second air conditioner option. Humongous closet there. And a couple drawers. Also, for the keen-eyed out there, you might have noticed that we still have no in-floor registers. They've all been moved to the sides, to the walls, wherever they can, so that you're not dropping crumbs or whatever else down there. Some people really hate those in-floor registers. So that's pretty much it for the inside. Let's have a quick chat about the outside, and then we'll get out of here. All right, we're back outside. Let's talk a little bit more about the differences here. So design-wise, great. Almost no one would know that it's not an Eagle or a full HT. Look at that front cap. It's not painted. You don't have that light up logo, but that light up logo is new anyways. And I think this front cap looks super awesome. Same pin box. And over this way, we've got a big awning. Still got an LED strip on that. Here's your solar controller in here, and you'll see we're missing that radiant barrier foil insulation in here. For some of you, that's going to be a huge deal. Others, not so much. Another thing to talk about over here, so we've got smaller wheels and tires, and they're Rainier standard. Now, in here, we're just using Dexter suspension as opposed to the MoRide CRE 3000 that you get in the rest of the Eagle lineup. Still have galvanized steel wheel wells. So you're not losing a ton of stuff. Just those little things that, you know, if you're looking at this budget level, they're not that important anyways. Now, we don't have auto level. We've got electric front jacks and then electric rear stabilizers. We've got hot and cold access. On this side, there's no spray port. So on the rest of the Eagle lineup, you get a cold spray port on the opposite side, not in the SLEs. A ton of storage in here, which I'll show you now. And as we come around the back, you'll see we're still prepped for that backup camera. We've got the Jayco smart lighting. We still have a Magnum truss roof, but you don't get a ladder as standard. You just get the Lippert telescoping ladder prep, which for this floor plan, you have tons of storage space, so plenty of places to put that. But in some floor plans, you might not have the space. Now here, let's have another look at this underbelly here. Still fully enclosed. Got a spare tire there. Rack and pinion slide on this guy with the PMAX slide floor. And then once we get up here is where we've got another big difference. In the rest of the Eagle lineup, you get a Nautilus water system that's enclosed. Here you just get custom connections. Your electrical's right here, on-demand hot water right there, but this is it for your water connections. And like I said, there's no spray port on this side either. Up here, got 30-pound propane tank and one on the other side as well. And these are super light. GV on this is 9,995. 1,200 pounds of cargo, so your dry weight is 8,750. Now you're still going to have a pretty heavy pin weight. So for those of you thinking you want to pull it with your half ton, you got to make sure you have the payload capacity for that, because a lot of sales guys aren't going to tell you about that, and they'll say, yeah, you can tow it for sure. You can pull it, but can your truck hold it up? That's what's important. So I want to hear what you guys think about the new SLE. If I missed something, let me know in the comments below, and I will see you next time.
It's still good. Or we can send the file via Dropbox or like a URL. But yeah, no, we're still there.